When making a flipbook, it's a good idea to have a plan for what you're doing. It's a simple process, so let's start simply. Our idea for a flipbook can be to transform one shape into another. Now there's two different ways of doing this. This translates to one of the primary animation principles of pose-to-pose animation versus straight-ahead animation. And straight-ahead animation is very free. You simply draw on one card and continue one after the other with really no plan. It's kind of like improvising. But for this example, we're going to introduce the pose-to-pose method of animation. So what you first want to do is draw one shape on one card and a second shape on the other. Don't forget to label your frames with numbers. 1 is the beginning and 90 is the end of your animation flipbook.